Why do most people give up on pull-ups after just 3 reps, even when their back is fully capable of doing 10? It is not your lats, it is not your arms, it is not your grip. It is the story your brain writes the moment your chin clears the bar. The second a pull-up gets hard, your brain fires a signal. Not a physical signal, a psychological one. You're at your limit. Your arms are done. One more and you will fail. And here's the part nobody talks about. That signal fires at about 40% of your actual capacity. Your back has strength you've never once accessed because your mind shut the door before your muscles ever got the chance. Subscribe right now because what I'm about to show you will change not just how you train your back, but how you think under pressure in everything. The routine: 3 minutes, the 3-round back unlock. Here's how it works. You're not doing pull-ups. You're doing 3 rounds of controlled back activation. That reframe alone changes everything. Round 1, 3 slow pull-ups. On every single rep, take 3 full seconds to pull up and 3 full seconds to lower. Do not rush. Do not kip. Pull with your elbows driving down toward your hips, not your hands pulling toward the bar. Feel the lats engaging. This is the cue your brain has been missing. Your back is doing the work, not your arms. Between round 1 and round 2, 10 seconds. Hang from the bar with straight arms. Feel the lats stretching. Feel the shoulder blades depressing. This decompresses to spine and resets the neuromuscular connection between your brain and your back. Round 2, 4 reps. Same tempo. 3 seconds up, 3 seconds down. But this time, at the very top of each rep, pause for 1 second and squeeze the shoulder blades together hard. Hold that squeeze. That contraction is where the hidden back strength lives. Most people never feel it because they never stop moving long enough to find it. 10-second hang. Breathe. Reset. Round 3. Give everything you have left. As many controlled reps as possible. No kipping, no rushing. Just you, your lats, and the bar. And when your brain says stop, do one more. Just one. That one extra rep is the door opening into your real capacity. Something happens when you train this way. You stop fighting the pull-up. You start communicating with your back. And your back, which has been waiting your entire training life to be properly engaged, responds. Your lats will feel wider after one session. Your posture will feel taller. Your shoulders will feel more open. Not because the muscle changed, but because the connection changed. You did not just train your back, you unlocked it. Here's the truth about hidden strength, physical or otherwise. It was never missing. It was just waiting for the right signal from the right place. Your back is stronger than your last pull-up suggests. Your mind is more trainable than your last quit suggests. 3 minutes, 3 rounds, 1 bar. That's all the signal it needs. If this hit differently than the usual pull-up content, follow for more psychology-based training that actually unlocks what your body has been holding back. And drop in the comments, how many pull-ups can you do right now? Be honest, because that number is about to change.